Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the composition and placing just the essential keyframes. Set your comp to 24 or 30 frames per second and confirm layer-level motion blur is on. Then add 2 to 4 keyframes on the property you want to smooth, position, scale, or rotation. Once done, make sure keyframes are spaced to represent the intended timing so easing will read correctly. This immediate setup avoids extra steps later and gives you the precise motion data you'll refine next. Now refine the motion by applying Easy Ease and editing the curve in the graph editor. Select your keyframes and press F9 to add smooth easing. Then open the graph editor and toggle to the speed graph because it controls acceleration and feels more natural. Drag the Bezier handles to lengthen the ease in or ease out, creating gradual acceleration and deceleration. Make small adjustments and scrub the timeline to inspect velocity changes. This is where timing and feel are defined, so work iteratively until motion looks organic. Finish by polishing motion blur and fixing small jitters to sell smoothness. Turn on comp motion blur and increase shutter angle to between 180 and 360 degrees for natural streaking. If you need more accuracy on complex footage, apply pixel motion blur or After Effects frame blending. If you still see jitter, nudge problematic keyframes to subframes or average nearby values to eliminate micro-variation. One troubleshooting tip: if curves snap weirdly, select keyframes and Alt-drag handles to reset tangents, then reshape slowly to prevent overshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.